Let's learn reacting masses in 2 easy steps. In this method, you do not have to worry about a table method. Also, do not need to worry about ratios. Just need to follow my 2-step method and follow my technique to get the full 4 marks. Let's go for the exam question. The equation for the reaction between nitrogen and hydrogen to produce ammonia is below. Calculate the mass of hydrogen that is needed to produce 25 grams of ammonia. The first thing we do is work out the number of moles of the element or compound that we have the mass for. And we have the mass for ammonia, which is going to be 25 grams. We go through step 1 again. In step 1, we always work out the number of moles, and we can clearly see that in this exam question that we have been given the mass for ammonia. But which equation are we going to use in chemistry? So the equation that you are going to use for this calculation is going to be over here, which is going to be this triangle, mass, moles, MR. So let's work out the number of moles. So the mass is going to be, of course, 25 grams, and then we divide it by the MR. And then we're going to divide it by the MR of ammonia, which is 34, and we get 0.735 moles. That is step 1 complete. You've probably got half the marks now. Are you ready for step 2? Let's get started now. So in step 2, we calculate the mass of the element or compound. So in this question, what do we have to work out the mass for? Let's go back to the question. Calculate the mass of hydrogen. Now we have to work out the mass, where we have to multiply the number of moles by the MR of hydrogen. So we do 0.735, multiply it by 6, and that's going to give us 4.41 grams. And that is your full 4 marks in 2 steps. Tell me how you found this method.